Do you want to log into your Buckeye cable account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Buckeye cable account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser which is on your PC. Go to the search bar and search for Buckeye cable login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official site of Buckeye Broadband. Now, you will be headed to the login portal of Buckeye. So go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and then click sign in. This way, you can successfully log into your Buckeye cable account or your Buckeye Broadband account. You can also click remember my username and you will not have to write down your email address or username the next time you try to log in. For residential users or for residential customers, you can click register account to register yourself, and if you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links for you. For business customers, these are the links for registering your account if you have forgotten your username or if you have forgotten your password. So you can use these and then recover your account quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Buckeye cable or your Buckeye broadband account. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.